Hi, my name is Erik Ramsey from Newbold Toyota. Today we're going to go over a few steps of changing your oil. First, today we're going to go ahead and check your oil. You wipe it off, you double check it, look at it, it's full, so we're good to go. Then we're going to go ahead and take off the oil cap, and then we're going to check all of the fluids such as the washer fluid and the coolant. And you just fill the washer fluid up until it's at the very top. Then we go ahead and check the coolant, and we add coolant as needed. Next, we'll go ahead and check the air filter. We inspect that. That one's pretty bad, so we'll probably suggest to replace it today. And now we would take the car up into the air. Now our next step, since we have the vehicle in the air, we're going to go ahead and drain the oil, check the gasket, and then we'll move on to loosening the filter. Now the drain plug's out, go ahead and check the gasket, see if it's good. If it's bad, we go ahead and replace it. We put the new gasket on the drain plug. Then while the oil is draining out of the vehicle, we'll go ahead and get the filter loose. Now with the filter loose, we'll be able to drain the oil out of the filter. Now that the oil is mainly drained, you can go ahead and put the drain plug back in, tighten that down. And now we can drop the oil filter. Now you take off the rubber gasket, and replace it with a new filter. Now that we got a new oil ring and a new filter, you put that on the filter housing. Lube up the gasket with oil. Spin the filter on until we tighten it down with the torque wrench. And tighten it down. Double check your drain plug again. And now we're done with the bottom side of the car. Now our next step, we're going to go ahead and add oil. We check the correct amount, put that in there, and then once we're done, we'll double check it with the dipstick, put on the cap, and then we'll be good to go. And now we're going to go ahead and put our oil cap back on, clean up any messes as necessary, make sure the oil cap's clean, pull out the dipstick, wipe it off, check it again, make sure that it's full. It's full. So we'll go ahead, put the hood down, and we're good to go. And if you guys have any questions, give us a call at Newbold Toyota. And my name is Erik Ramsey. We'll be happy to serve you guys.